In this video, we are going to cover how to use RSS feeds as a way to pull in content. So I'm on my content tab, and the first thing you'll see over here is the Find RSS feeds. Now, to let you know, this is an RSS search engine that we are connected with. So this is not a place where you put an RSS feed. You would actually search for an RSS feed if you don't know one. So let's say, to make it simple, let's say that I'm looking for CNN. And I just type in CNN, and then suddenly I'm given a number of the CNN different news feeds. And let's just click this one right here just to see what comes up. And you can see all of this information. Now, you might be saying, well, hold on a second. Is this really the picture? Or is email this? Is that really the picture associated with the story? And the answer is no, it's not. But here's how RSS works. It streamlines data and pulls it in. And what it's doing is it's grabbing the first image on the page that it sees. So this is a case where it's going to be a little bit tricky for you. For some of these, not for all, but for some. So if I wanted to obviously go over and check this thing out, I could grab this and go put it in a link and go look at it that way. If you edit this, you'll see that with the way that CNN runs their RSS is that they have a limited amount of information that they pull over. They're definitely kind of giving you a one hit. In some cases, you'll see a lot of information and sometimes even entire articles that are pulled in. So in that case, that's pretty easy. We know what we want. Let's do something a little bit different. So I'm on my German Shepherds page, and let's say that I want to see what's happening on Tumblr, because Tumblr is a great source of content. Tumblr German Shepherd. Let's see what goes on there. So what this is going to do is give me all these different Tumblr feeds that I can look at. So that's an example. Now let's say that I wanted to do something, like, let's use Tumblr again and say I want to do funny pictures. Go over here and then, let's see, click this guy. And you can see that what it does is it's pulling in the RSS right here. So in a lot of cases, and you can start to, kind of use your head. If you know of some Tumblrs that you like, you can start to see the way that the RSS feed is manufactured. There's HTTP : the name of the Tumblr itself, .tumblr.com/RSS. So you can just start to you can bypass this and put those feeds in here right away. Now, if I like this, then I'm going to go ahead and I definitely recommend save it to your keyword. Save it over to the sandbox. So that's a really, really simple way to do it. Now, once you have these RSS feeds in here, let's do one for German. Let's go back here and do German Shepherd. If I just type in German Shepherds, I'm going to see German Shepherd forums, another German Shepherd. Here's one on Reddit. I love German Shepherds. Show off you're cute. Okay. Let's click that one and see what happens. Oh, it's a Tumblr. Now in this case, for some reason, the images are not coming over. Again, RSS is really finicky and we can't control everything. We're doing our best to work through everything, but in this kind of case, I can't tell you why it's working on one Tumblr but not on another. So you've got to be kind of patient and understand that it's not a perfect process. Let's go back and try it one more time. Let's try this forum. Now, forums are interesting because, again, what's it doing? It's pulling these weird images, and these are like the forum images. But this is a great place. Forums are an awesome place to get information that you can suddenly turn back around. So, like coat type. So if you want to start to create engagement with your audience, you can start to peek in on forums and the things that they're talking about, and then flip that around and ask these same questions and start getting a lot of information out of your of your audience. I'm going to go ahead and, just for this case, I'm going to go ahead and save this just so we can have one and I can show you a bit later. So that's the gist of RSS. You use the button to search. If you know of the RSS feed, you can put it in here automatically and hit fetch, and it'll start to pull the data in. And that's how we do RSSs. See you in the next video.